Hello everybody, welcome to today's session. In the current session, we will quickly touch upon various important aspects of the budget 2018-19. Please note that this is not a full-fledged session as such. However, the idea of this session is to help you understand the various important aspects for your UPSC preparation. To begin with, the current budget focused excessively on improvement of farmers in line with the government's vision of improving or enhancing the farmers' income or doubling the farmers' income by 2022. Accordingly, they have raised the MSP by 1.5 times of their production cost. And also, they have started this Operation Green, giving emphasis upon horticulture. For your prelims, you must note that green gold is linked to your bamboo. Bamboo is known as green gold. We will discuss in detail about all of this in the further sessions. And coming to agriculture once again, 10,000 crore has been offered for fisheries, aquaculture and animal husbandry development. And food processing sector has been given an allocation of 1400 crores. Agri market, as you know, ENAM and all 2000 crore has been allocated further to strengthen the connectivity. Coming to rural economy, 8 crore poor women will be getting new LPG connections in addition to the existing connections, and also government is planning to spend 16,000 crores on this scheme, and 1 crore houses will be built under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, especially in the rural area, and government gives close to 10,000 crore for various social security schemes over the next fiscal year. In education, 1 lakh crore has been given to upgrade the entire education sector, and also blackboards. Currently we are at the blackboards, so government is trying to go for complete digitization in the next 4 years. So by 2022, the objective of the government is to transform from blackboards to digital board. And 1000 PM research fellows is a new program where various engineering students picked up from colleges all across the country will be offered fellowship programs in various IITs and IISCs, 1000 PM fellows. Okay. Coming to our health sector, health coverage to 50 crore individuals, which is a huge step in the development of health sector. So under this National Healthcare Protection Scheme, government will be allocating 5 lakh rupees per family, and overall beneficiaries would be reaching up to 50 crore people. And 600 crore was allocated for TB patients specifically, at the rate of 500 rupees per month during their treatment. Under Saubhagya Yojana, power will be or electricity will be given to 4 crore poor households, and the total budget for this is 16,000 crores. And just for your information, more than 1 crore accounts have been opened under Sukanya Samriddhi scheme. 3 lakh crore has been given for the Mudra Yojana target, and so far 4.6 lakhs crore has been sanctioned under the Mudra scheme. And excise on unbranded diesel and unbranded petrol has been cut by 2 rupees. And government is planning to contribute 12% of the new employees, 12% of the wages of the new employees in the next 3 years in almost all the sectors. Infrastructure, again infrastructure got a huge boost, wherein under your Bharatmala project, 35,000 kilometers will be developed with a cost of 5.35 lakh crore. Out of 100 smart cities, 99 cities have been selected with a outline of 2.4 lakh crore. And railway budget, you must be aware that from the last year, railway budget has been delinked. Historically, why railway budget has been made as a separate budget is that during the British era, the biggest process or the biggest business is linked to their railways, because a lot of goods have to be transported all across the country, and even for the imports and exports, railways were used for the inland transportation. Accordingly, the railway budget was almost as high, or sometimes it was even more than your regular budget. That is the reason why Britishers have started a separate railway budget. However, in the current scenario, it is no longer required as envisaged by the latest government. In the aviation sector, in addition to the existing UDAN scheme, 64 new airports been integrated with this scheme, and Digital India allocation has been doubled to 3,700 crores. And government is also thinking of assigning a unique ID for corporates. It is like similar to your Aadhaar for your identification. This investment has been targeted at 80,000 crores. 7,000 crores has been given for your textile industries, and food subsidy has been increased to 1.69 lakh crores. 5 lakh Wi-Fi hotspots have been allocated or sanctioned at the cost of 10,000 crores. So these are the brief budget highlights in 5 minutes for you to have a quick understanding. So in the further session, we will take up each and every aspect and discuss them in detail. Also note that last year, a question in mains has been directly asked on transform, energize and clean India. So which is a part of your budget summary document released by the government itself. So budget becomes extremely relevant and important not only for your prelims and also for your mains. So in the upcoming sessions, we'll discuss them in detail. Thank you.
If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment and share it with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe for all our future videos.